Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to be in this collab. This is the TEMU Advent Calendar collab created by Jessie Miller Unboxings and More. Thank you, Jessie, for inviting me. I'm super excited to be here, y'all. I just think this is such a fun idea for a collab. In this collab, there are 7 channels. So Jessie Miller, of course, is the first channel. Then there's Reviews with Sue, Katie's Corner of the World, Miss Jackie Russell, Laura Wooten Reviews, and Favorites with Laura, and then of course me. So you will have to be publicly subscribed to all 7 channels to win this giveaway. We each are doing a giveaway. So there's 7 chances to win. You can only win once. I'm going to show you what I have created for myself. We were challenged to make a TEMU Advent Calendar for $15 or less. So let's see how well I did, y'all. We should get things that we might enjoy and that were very reasonably priced. You know, TEMU, as we know, is very reasonably priced. As a matter of fact, I got this blouse from them. All right, so this is my first item. This is day number 1 for me. And this is a beautiful little cat plastic thing. Isn't that adorable? And what you do with this is you turn this down, and this sits on the edge of the table at the restaurant. And then your purse hangs off of this. And because of that pressure of your purse, this isn't going to go anywhere. It's not going to fall. So it's right there, right here at your side, wherever you want to put it, right? Always with you, your purse. So, and then what you do is you just fold this back up and throw it in your purse for the next time. This was 67 cents. And next, I've been wanting this for a while. I thought I'm going to go for it and finally get it. This is just beautiful wood. Isn't that pretty, y'all? And then it has this pretty brass interior. And they sent me with this a dozen sewing needles. I tend to lose things like this, needles, so this is perfect. You can put your needles in here, and then you always have this available, and your needles are right in there. That was $1.07. And then I got this package of stars. I want you to see how it's packaged, just like if you went to a dollar store. And there are 6 stars in here, and they're all glittery and cute, and they all have a little tab on them so you can hang them. You can hang them on a tree. You can hang them on packages to decorate your packages. You know, I could hang some back there to decorate for Christmas. These were 99 cents, so less than they cost at the dollar stores. Next up, I have a key ring. Excuse me. This is one of the, I love these little charms that go on purses and on your key ring and stuff. This one is for Christmas. There's a little Christmas hat and a snowflake. And this opens here, this little latch, and you can put that on your keychain. You can put it on your purse. You can put it on the toggle of your jacket. It's just super cute. And this was $1.34. And next I have this beautiful ornament. This is a nice thick plastic. And it says, "Be still and know that I am God." And it has a beautiful red bird on it and some Christmas greenery. And isn't that pretty, y'all? That was $1.19. And I got this ornament as well. This one is not as thick of a plastic, but of course I had to get it because it was too cute. And you know, it's double-sided. It's a kitty cat dressed up for Christmas. And this one was 87 cents. And then I got these things because they were 18 cents and something that we can all use. 18 cents, y'all, for both of these funnels. So these are silicone, and when you pop them out and use them to, you know, pour things into, you know, whatever you use the funnels for. And I've got 2 different sizes. And then when you're done and you wash it up and everything, this just pops right back into place. So it fits really nicely in your you know, your drawer, your utensil drawer. Very nice. 18 cents, y'all. There's all kinds of bargains like that on TEMU. You have to check them out if you haven't already. And next I have this eyeliner. I've bought some makeup from TEMU, but I haven't really tried much of it. This I just wanted to try because it's pretty. I thought it was pretty. It's a nice pencil eyeliner, and you'll sharpen it, and hey, it works pretty well. I just needed purple, and this one is priced at 87 cents. And then I got these stickers. I like the stickers on the roll. They're easier for me to handle. They peel off well. And of course, what do you think these stickers are? They're cats. They're all pretty girl cats, like all jazzy girl cats, all fancied up cats with all kinds of cute stuff on them. So you'll see that on cards and on giveaways and friend mail and stuff like that. And next up, I have this cute little sack here of these little sponges. You know, these are nice, y'all. Did I tell you that the stickers were $1.78? The sponges are 89 cents, all 4 of them. And these are just perfect for so many things, for getting in the corner of your eye, for outer edge. Here you can do. So there is, I think there's 2 like that. There's these 2, a little bit of a different slant. They both have the point. And then there's this one, you know, so you can use that under your eye or whatever. And then this teardrop shape. And these are really nice quality sponges, y'all. It makes you wonder about the expensive sponges that we get in some of the boxes. It's like, where did they get them from? This is 89 cents for this little pack of sponges. And next, I had a nice little package for this, y'all. These tweezers came in a little plastic sleeve, but I can't find it because Blue came and tore through everything. So I think he walked off with it. They like to chew on stuff. These tweezers are 97 cents for both of them. So they're cute. They come in all different colors, and these I thought were cute with the polka dots on it. There's this fine point one. Can you see that? And then this one is slanted. And they have all different styles of tweezers, they have different kits, any kind of tweezer you want, you can find. But I am a tweezer loser. I lose them, and I just misplace them is mostly what happens. That was 97 cents. And then my last item, day 12. I forgot to do the 1 through 12, but anyway, these also, I had 4 of these little things, and one is missing because the cats tore through here. But look at these, are just little resin, teeny tiny little kitty cats. There's one, and there's another one. This one looks somewhat like Smudge. And then this cat is laying down. Isn't that cute? And there is a 4th one, but I can't find it anywhere. I have some boxes here from when I unboxed things, and I went through, I can't find them, but he went tearing through and everything went flying. So I spent $12.09. So I made it under my $15. I'm real proud of myself. But anyway, y'all, so I'm not going to show you what's in your giveaway because it's a surprise for you. It's an advent calendar for you. I will wrap everything individually, and I'll number them 1 to 12. And when this ends, and by the time you get your gift from me, it will be after December 1st. So you can start your calendar on December 13th and go through December 25. Or you can do the old-fashioned traditional 12-day advent calendar, which would run from December 26th through January 6th, which is the Epiphany. That's a great time to do a 12-day calendar if you'd like to do that. Or, of course, some of you might just rip it open when you get it, which is fine too. So my rules are you have to have an address in the continental United States for me to mail this to. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to mail this advent calendar to you with a U.S. address, okay? You have to be publicly subscribed to Jessie Miller Unboxings and More, Reviews with Sue, Katie's Corner of the World, Miss Jackie Russell, Lauren Rutan Reviews, Favorites with Laura, and Mary Catherine Loves Cats. And we will check. And you can enter all 7 giveaways. You can only win 1. I will get a tracking when I mail this, and I'm not responsible if it's lost or stolen. Nobody is responsible if it's lost or stolen. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. I'm the one that's putting this giveaway out there, and the tracking from the post office, you'll get it. Everybody gets their stuff. Don't worry about it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. If you're allergic to anything that I send you, I'm not responsible. Please test. I don't think I'm sending you anything like that. You know me, I'll probably throw in a couple sheet masks into your bag. So just be careful when you use things like that, okay? And I think that's really it. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. I'm so excited. If you're new here, I hope that you'll subscribe and watch my videos and continue to stay with me. I have a lot of fun on this channel. I do a lot of unboxings and I do a lot of giveaways. Oh, and by the way, just so I can find if you're interested in entering the giveaway, say STAR. STAR. Say that in your comment below. Don't just say the word, please say it in a comment. Just say STAR, and then I'll know you're interested in entering the giveaway, because some of my friends come by and say that they're just here for support. And I appreciate anybody watching. You know, we'd like you to watch our all 7 videos all the way through and see what everybody has and listen to their instructions, because they may be different than mine. Y'all take care and count your blessings, and it's so good to see you. Bye-bye.